Once you've finished setting up your session, you can manage your class from the Admin tab on the main menu. To edit the portfolio or trading settings, click Edit Trading Rules. You can update the exchanges, security types, or the registration dates for your class at any time from this page. To save your changes, make sure to scroll to the bottom and click the Save button. There are a few trading rules that cannot be changed on your own. If you want to change the initial cash, the trading end date, or allow or disallow margin trading, you'll need to contact our help desk. You can send in a ticket or talk to live chat support during market hours by using the chat box on screen. There are several other useful pages under the admin menu. You can create a new class, create, edit, and view your assignments, get access to the Professor Resources Center by clicking Guides and Tutorials, make a payment, or manage teams. The Manage Teams page will allow you to group your students into teams so that their combined portfolios appear on the rankings page. To create a team, click the Add Team button and then give it a name of your choice. Once it's set up, you can add students who have registered to your class by using the drop-down menu. To view the combined holdings of the team, use the team name and password that are featured on screen. You'll need to log out of your Professor account to view the team portfolio. However, your students will continue to use their regular logins to access their account and view their teams. Return to the Professor dashboard by clicking the Dashboard button under Dashboard. From here, you can post an announcement to your class. You can also upload documents that you want to share with your students by clicking Upload Document from the right side panel. Below are more useful resources you can use, for example, under Class Project Ideas. You can reference what other professors have used StockTrak for. From under the User Rankings widget, you can see more detailed information about each student's portfolio in your class. Toggle between open positions, transactions, detailed balances, and more to either view on site, download as a spreadsheet, or have the data sent to your email. For more detailed information about student activity, use the Reports tab on the main menu. The summary report is where you'll find your registration link. The registration file is a very useful page. From here you can see all the students who registered to your class. You can also give your TAs special permission from the registration file. TAs can access reports and view student portfolio data, but they cannot edit class settings. The ranking report allows you to view the portfolios of your students, make cash adjustments, view charts of their holdings, or reset their accounts. Reset Portfolio will purge your student's account of all their transactions so far. The ranking report is updated at midnight each evening, so it does not reflect real-time values. The User Summary Report will show you when your students logged in last, their cash balance, loan balance, and other more detailed pieces of information. The Activity Report will graph the number of trades and number of orders over either a 7-day, 14-day, or 30-day period. You can click any data point on the chart to view more information. You will also be able to view each student below and get more detailed activity per student along with recent orders and their symbols. For a breakdown of investments made across the different asset types, you can use the Diversification Report. Like the previous report, you can view over a 7-day, 14-day, or 30-day period. As the name suggests, the Top Traded Securities Report will show you the top traded securities among all your students or users' portfolios combined over the date range you specify. You can also use the order type and security filters to narrow down the information displayed on screen. If you're a data lover, you'll get access to comprehensive information for your students' account statements, historical portfolios, and trade notes that can each be downloaded as spreadsheets or sent to your email. You can also view the account balances, transactions, and open positions up to a date you specify as well. If none of the pre-made reports provide the information you're looking for, you can use the custom reports to create your own. Use the plus button to view the available fields and click Add to include them in your report. When you're done selecting your data, give your shiny new report a name and click Create. In the next video, we'll review how to manage your assignments and view student progress and grades. Thanks for watching.